What is appellate procedure? Have you ever wondered how decisions made by lower courts can be challenged? Appellate procedure is the answer. It is the set of rules and steps that higher courts follow to review decisions made by lower courts. This topic is a key part of civil procedure courses in law school and is essential for understanding the legal system. The process begins when a party who loses a case in a trial court decides to challenge the outcome. This party is called the appellant. To start the appeal, the appellant files a notice of appeal with the appropriate appellate court. The other party, known as the appellee or respondent, is the one who won in the lower court and must respond to the appeal. Once the appeal is filed, both sides submit written documents called briefs. The appellant's brief explains why the lower court made a mistake, focusing on errors of law, fact, or procedure. The appellee's brief argues why the lower court's decision was correct. Sometimes, the appellant can file a reply brief to address points made by the appellee. Appellate courts do not retry cases or hear new evidence. Instead, they review the record from the lower court. This record includes transcripts, exhibits, and other documents. The judges look for mistakes that might have affected the case's outcome. The standards of review determine how closely the appellate court will scrutinize the lower court's actions. For example, de novo review means the appellate court looks at the issue anew, while abuse of discretion checks if the lower court made a clearly and reasonable decision. Oral arguments may be scheduled, allowing each side a short amount of time to present their case to the judges and answer questions. However, many appeals are decided based solely on the written briefs. Understanding appellate procedure is important for law students. It shows how the legal system corrects errors and ensures the law is applied consistently. In law school outlines and supplements, students often study the steps of appellate procedure, deadlines for filing documents, and effective arguments on appeal. Mastering these rules helps law students prepare for exams and their future careers as attorneys. Practical applications include learning how to draft effective appellate briefs, understanding the importance of preserving issues for appeal during trial, and knowing how to argue before appellate judges. These skills are essential for anyone planning to work in litigation and are tested in law school exams.